Alright, here's a quick little video to show the steering wheel that I put in my Civic EF hatchback. This is a stock, factory original, OEM Honda steering wheel. But it came from one of their garden tractors. Yeah, back in the mid-80s to possibly mid-90s, Honda made some pretty neat tractors. The 5000 and the 6000 series. This one came from a 6522 diesel tractor. Fits perfect right on the stock Civic spline shaft. No hub needed. Now you do lose the horn because the tractor didn't have a horn. I put mine right there on that little push button. Now the steering wheel itself, nice and strong, doesn't bend at all, nice and sturdy. And to me it looks like it's, meant to be there. So there you have it, folks. Civic garden tractor steering wheel and a Civic EF hatchback.